What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode fishing for trophies. I'm here at Causeway Bait Stand, about to get some shrimp and go hit up the surf, look for some black drums, some redfish, or some pompano. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. So I got some shrimp at Causeway, $7 a pound. Come on now. But I need to look for some mullet, so I found this spot right here. Gonna throw the cast net before I hit up the surf. Don't want to be here too long. Nope, nothing. Do like 5 more throws. Nothing. Just gotta wait for it to clear up, but it doesn't look too bad. There's plenty of beach, plenty of driving space here. I'm gonna head down about 5 miles south of Bob Hall Pier. Gonna fish with some shrimp, and if I catch any whiting or anything like that, I'm gonna cut that up and use that for cut bait. Definitely gonna try to throw the cast net out here and get some mullet if I can. All right, let me show you the spot real quick. Here it is. And right there where there's no breaking waves, that's where I want to cast, right there. All right, so I got these little bitty hooks. I'm gonna tear off little pieces of shrimp and see if I can get some bait fish out there that I can put on the line, cut them in half and throw them way out there. But in the meantime, we're gonna catch some bait using these shrimp. Maybe I can catch a pompano or two. Let's get it. All right, got that out there. Gonna set up the other poles. In the meantime, hopefully this goes off. Get the other 2 poles set up, and then it's game time. This right here is what I was afraid of. Right here at the surf. Got seaweeds. All right, come on. First fish, either to cut up or to keep. And this is off the small hooks using the shrimp. Hopefully it's cut bait. What do we got? Oh no! What is this? Okay. So we're starting the day off with the whiting. Let's get this guy off here. What do you think? Should I take it home or should I cut it up? It's a decent size. If we get anything smaller, we'll cut it up. Just breaking the shrimp in half just like that and putting them on these little hooks. This one's even smaller. What do we got? We got something. Something small. This was on the fish bites, so I won't be sure what it is. Oh, we got probably a gaff top. Oh, it's a pompano. Here we go. All right, that's what we're here for. On the fish bites, of course. I should have got more of those. I think that's the crab flavor. All right, let's see how big this guy is. Of course, he's a keeper. So throw him in the box and keep on collecting fish. Something on the little hooks. Got a lot of seaweed too. These little hooks bend. I don't want to pull it too hard, so I'll probably just fight it for a little bit. Oh, it probably dropped it too. Oh no, it's still on there. Tighten the drag a little bit. Hopefully it's on the bigger hook. What is that? Sometimes the littlest hooks bring in the biggest fish, but that might be the spider weight. Oh, definitely something there. What is that? Oh, looks like a redfish. It is a redfish. All right, there we go. Just backing it up, backing it up. If that comes off the hook, I'm running for it. There we go. Should be good. I think this is a little hook, so I'm not too sure. I forgot. Oh yeah, check out the little hook I caught this one on. It's probably about 28 inches. Woo! See? Came right off. Whoa! Golly. See how big this guy is. I say 28. Let's see here. Ooh. Definitely oversized. Some people say it would be right on the money. I say it's oversized. Darn it. There he is. Gonna let this guy go. Thanks for the fight on a little hook. Got cut up by that redfish. Anyways, chop it in half right there. Little bitty hook. Oh look, it bent the hook. That's okay, because I got more. There you go. Little piece like that's all you need. As you saw, I just caught that big old redfish on a little piece of shrimp like that, on a little bitty hook. Let's do it again. And I'm just throwing in the first gut right there. Nothing too crazy. There we go. Big old whiting right here. Let's see how big this guy is. see how big these almost 14 inches. Good old sandwich. All right, the seaweed right now is moving in. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up and look for another spot to go fishing. All right, all packed up. Giving away the spot. 271. That's where it's at. All right, so the jetties is not happening today. I'm gonna go home early today. So the total time I spent here at the jetties this morning was probably about 2 hours. Nothing's happening right now, and nobody catching any fish. I've seen a couple people catch some hardheads. Gonna call it a day and go home, and you know what? Plan my next fishing trip. Thanks for watching, guys.